So, hi dear Aquarius, a very good evening to you guys. This is Anjali Tarot and this is a general love reading for all the Aquarius, Sun, Moon, Venus, Rising. Keep in mind this is general and it might or might not resonate with you at the first place. The second thing, the roles can be reversed also. Third thing, this is a reading from 12th till the 18th of August and it is valid for every 12 sign that you are dealing with along with your own sign. If it is not resonating, it's not your story. You can just skip the video. If you want to be a professional tarot card reader like me, you can start your journey by purchasing my course. The link is in the description box for the same. If you want to start your self-healing journey with Ho'oponopono but don't know from where to start, you can definitely start by purchasing my masterclass. Again, the link is in the description box for the same and it has the power to change your life for the rest of your life. Trust me on that. I'm doing it from a very long time now. And if you want a one-on-one healing sessions or personal readings, you can check out the description box and you can mail me for the same. So let's start. Your person or your partner's current feelings for you right now. Let's see, Aquarius. We have the Six of Wands. So someone is seeing you as a mini celebrity kind of a personality. Someone is seeing you as like someone is adoring you from a distance. They're adoring your personality. They're adoring you, the way you are behaving, the way you are keeping yourself busy. And I think you are some kind of a mini celebrity or popular, or at least they feel like that. They got all of your attention. Okay, you got all of their attention. Okay, let's clarify the Six of Wands as their feelings for you. It could be a totally new person who is falling in love with the idea of being with you. This is somebody who feels like coming towards you, taking the risk of coming in your direction, and they're manifesting this energy of having a brand new beginning with you, having some kind of connection with you, having some kind of relationship with you. For most of it's a new person, new relationship that's interested in you. It could be a long distance kind of a thing. It could be an online kind of a thing. It could be somebody whom you're just talking to normally, and this person is kind of manifesting this energy of having something solid on the table with you in the coming future. They feel like you are somebody with whom they can think about having a connection with, having a relationship with. Very good. Okay. For some of you, it's like a past person coming towards you with a fresh kind of energy, but it will feel like it's a fresh kind of energy, even if it is a new person or past person. Feels like a new energy, new connection. Okay. What is wrong, honey? Yeah. Let's see. Let's see, what do you feel about this particular person or situation from your side, Aquarius? Four of Pentacles. Okay, you are like a closed book right now. You're not revealing too much, you're not expressing too much, or you're not saying too much. You're right now in this energy of being like, okay, being with yourself only, being like in your own energies, in your own feelings, but not saying much or doing much about it. Let's clarify the Four of Pentacles. We have the Ace of Swords, the Six of Cups, and the Nine of Pentacles. You're still dealing with the past person, past energy. You are still dealing with this energy of holding on to the past for some reason, and you're still waiting for somebody from your past to come back around, or you're still waiting for the time when you will be able to get out of a past person or past situation and be completely free. You are waiting for the time when you are going to be completely free from the past situation that you're still holding on to. Maybe the pain, maybe the idea of being with them again, maybe the idea of reconciliation. Whatever it is, you feel like you should just not open up to anything or anyone unless you're 100% out of a situation that you need to clear from yourself, from inside of you. Okay, yeah. Let's see what this person wants from you. What are their intentions for the situation between you and them? Five of Wands. Their intention is not to create any kind of drama or chaos or any kind of conflict. Okay, let me clarify the Five of Wands. We have the Five of Cups, Eight of Pentacles, the Knight of Pentacles. It's like this person wants to take it really very slow because they don't want to put you or themselves in a situation where both of you are going to feel like this situation is chaos or conflict. This person doesn't want to create any kind of conflict or chaos, or they don't want to take it too fast that it's going to create some kind of disturbance or problem for you guys. This person wants to take it slow, put in the effort and energy in this direction and take it one day at a time. They don't want to create any kind of chaos or conflict or drama, because they know you are coming out of a very painful space. They want to give you the time and space to heal yourself properly, so that they can put in the effort and energy in this direction in a proper way. Okay, in a proper way, right? This person wants to hold back until unless you are ready to put in the effort and energy in the direction with them, like equal give and take of energy. That is cool. Let's see, what do you want from this particular person or situation from your side, Aquarius? Four of Wands. You want to enjoy. You want to enjoy the freedom. You want to enjoy the stability. You just want to enjoy the things that's coming your way in a very, very beautiful and positive way. Let's clarify the Four of Wands. We have the Page of Cups, the Two of Cups, and yeah, you want something stable on the table. At the same time, you just want to enjoy whatever is coming your way in a very, very beautiful way, with an open heart, with an open energy, and with this idea of, yeah, I know universe is sending me something beautiful, and universe is going to send me something stable this time. So you want to lean on this idea of having something stable on the table by enjoying yourself, enjoying the energies, and enjoying the connections and friendships around you as much as you can, and keeping your heart and your energies open towards new people, new situation, new connections as much as you can from your side, and enjoying the journey, enjoying the chapter, having a rebirth, ending a past chapter, past situation completely, and moving on to the next chapter with a lot of love, with a lot of compassion, and with a lot of openness. Very good. Let's see what's coming towards you. What could be the possible outcome of the situation till the 18th of August? Page of Swords. I do see communication happening here. I do see a lot of fun and flirting and going here and there and having a lot of fun kind of a deal. Let me clarify the Page of Swords. It's like, I think it's going to be start of a brand new chapter of like in your love life. Okay, let's clarify the Page of Swords here, Aquarius. We have the Temperance, the Death, and the Three of Wands. Yeah, I think it's going to be like you might end up losing your patience, and you might end up in this energy of, okay, it's not working out, let's move on. It's not like that. It's not like that. Be very, very patient with the situation. Things will start aligning with you. Things will start coming up in a beautiful direction, in a beautiful way for you guys, if you are going to give it time and space. I think you're going to lose your patience. You're going to be like, I can't take it anymore, or there will be distance between you guys in some way, shape or form, and you're going to be like, nope, not right now, not ready. Even if you think you are ready for a new connection, new person, new situation, I think you are not ready from inside. So you are going to end up being in this energy of being restless, and being in this energy of ghosting somebody. Even if you're going to talk to them, it's not going to be a continuous flow of communication. You're going to be like, okay, let's move forward. This is not for me. It's like ghosting somebody just like that, or somebody ghosting you just like that, because they are going to be running out of patience, and they're going to be like, okay, not working out, goodbye. Although I don't think it's going to be a permanent goodbye or something, but it is going to be like suddenly out of the blue, somebody is going to be like, okay, not working, bye. It could be you, it could be them, or it could be both of you deciding, okay, it's not working. Too much distance, too much communication gap, or something is going to be like too much of impatience is like that. It's like that. Guidance. It's like take it slow. Slowly but surely, it's like slowly and steadily things are going to work out in your favor if you are patient enough, if you are open to this situation, like new situation, new connections. First of all, I think you should not be focused only on one person or one energy at the same time. Don't get overly invested in a particular situation or person and then regret it afterwards. Okay, keep your energies open, keep your options open, and start connecting with new people, new energies, with this kind of friendship kind of dynamic, and keeping an open heart and open energy in a direction like, okay, let's keep open heart, open energy, and let's see where things can go, right? Slowly but surely, like wherever you are trying to open up your heart and energies to. If you are investing all of your energy and time on a one particular person, one particular energy, and then disappointing yourself, then I think right now the universe is wanting to tell you that put in the effort and energy in a slow but slow manner, in a very slow manner, like only a friendship kind of a deal, or keep your options open and talk to multiple people, multiple energies, and experience the multiple energies kind of energy right now at this present moment, and see where things can go. Okay, then choose for yourself in for the future direction of a situation, rather than putting all of your eggs in one basket right now. It's like, because you are exploring new options. If you are exploring new option, new people, new situations, if this is something that's ongoing, then also the universe wants you to take it really very slow. Start from the friendship kind of level. Even if you guys are together from 10 years, start from friendship kind of level and take it one day at a time, and don't get restless, don't get impatient, because it might work out, but it's going to take time and patience, lot of it. Okay, so yeah, thank you so much for tuning in, Aquarius. I'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye, take care, God bless you, namaste.